Hi everyone, we're on our way to Petsmart to get a little trim. They're gonna clean my face, do my nails and my ears, and I'm also gonna have a spa day. I'm so excited! I love to give my mom kisses while we're on our way to Petsmart. I check on her, I look at her, and I always give her lots of kisses. Yay, we're here! Now we just have to wait to be able to go inside. Our appointment is in 5 minutes. Stay tuned for the end of the video to see my new look. I also check on my brothers. They're my best friends. We always play together and I like to watch over them. See you later, guys. New me, who's this? Do you like my new look? Would you comment below if you like my new trim and spa day? Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos of Ace Carter the Shih Tzu and press the bell button. Bye!